This week we're given some clues about the life of Sir Isaac Newton, and we're supposed to find out the year that he died and how old he was when he died. Well, one obvious way would be to go to the World Wide Web, as we have done here, and we've gone to our old friend Wikipedia and looked closely to find out that he was born in 1643 and died in 1727, so you can do the math to figure out how old he was. That's, of course, if you can trust Wikipedia. But a lot of us wanted to work the problem with the clues given. So we've set up a timeline with 0 to indicate the beginning of his life and N to indicate the end of his life, and 3 key milestones. The first third of his life is mentioned, the halfway point, and the final third, which of course begins with the 2/3 mark, and we've labeled those marks here. And then there was a clue about a milestone that occurred 2 years before a third of his life had occurred. And the second milestone was 2 years after the halfway point in his life. And we were also told that there was 18 years in between those 2 milestones. And then we can determine that the difference between the 1/3 portion of his life and the halfway point in his life is 14 years by doing 18, take away the 2, take away the other 2. And since we know the difference between 1/3 and 1/2 is a sixth, we now know that 14 years was 1/6 of his life, and 6 times 14 is 84. And then we got a clue that with 1/3 of his life to go, he became the master of the Royal Mint in 1699, so we label 1699 at the 2/3 point. And we know that if a sixth of his life is 14 years, a third of his life is 2/6 or 28 years, so we add 28 years to the year 1699 to get 1727, which is the year that he passed away, and we've already figured out that he was 84 years old. The answers to this week's problem of the week.